Alright, in this assignment we're going to be looking at researching real or fake photos. So we talked about how we can use lateral research to look at information, but we can also use a lot of those same skills for looking at photos. So the first thing that you're going to want to do, like we've been seeing, is watching our good friend John Green there and see what he has to say. And then he's going to give you a couple of techniques for how to look and research these photos. So like if you ever watch Catfish before, they do this kind of stuff all the time. So one of the things that we can do is just search the search term. So a lot of these photos, they just have the text up here. We could search for that, and then we could use our lateral reading skills. So we're going to open up some tabs, and we could type in something like man flipping rice photo, right? And look at that, we come up with the photo already. So we want to, you go through there and see if what people are saying about that. So we want to look for credible sources that are talking about these. And then they also talked about how if you're using Google and different things as well, that you can actually image search. So I didn't test this out beforehand, so we're gonna we'll see if this works from Microsoft Word, but we might be able to. Nah, it's not going to let us do that. But if you're doing it on the internet, you can take photos and then drag them into the search bar, and then you can search by image that way too. So you can always try that out as well. So make sure that you watch that video first, and then you're going to want to come back to your Word document here, and you're going to say whether you think it's real or fake, and then your justification. And so you want to make sure that you include a source of evidence for that information. So we got the rice, Earthrise, fairy pools, our bush reading a book upside down, and then a starving person. So that will be due tomorrow. So it should be kind of a little relaxing activity to finish with going into Thanksgiving break. So let me know if you have any questions. Shouldn't be too bad. Well, there you go.